Hello and welcoming you all back to Pavithra CR YouTube channel. This is Pavithra working as Assistant Professor at Department of Business Administration PG at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In this video and previous video we have been looking on to a video lecture series on creativity and decision making. We have been detailedly discussing about what is creativity is actually, what is a creative decision making process, why the creative decision making process is more important for an organization, and what are the various stages of creativity, and what are the different process of creativity, and we will be looking on to the types of creativity, and we people were also being aware of the stages of creativity, everything in our previous videos. And in this video, in a step ahead, we are going to move on a step ahead how a creative or innovative ideas have been introduced into an HR system. So before that, we were also discussing in a previous video about an invention and innovation. Whereas we have found that we have been discussing that invention is something bringing out new. Whereas, for example, for instance, the invention of a telephone, bringing when a telephone is invented, it is called as an invention. Whereas the prior changes of telephone to mobile phones, Android phones, iPhones are innovation. So in this case, what are the innovative ideas that is brought into an HR system? So everything will be detailedly discussed in this video. So moving on to the video without any more delay. Firstly, human resource. So what is a human resource? Human resource is a system where it coordinates, it acts as a supporting system, or it acts as a mediator, or it acts as a common person between the employer and employee, and works on towards the needs of the employer and employee, and coordinate both and bring them both together to achieve the common goal or objective of an organization. So in this case, the innovative HR practices that is brought into a business. So first and foremost, employees are the biggest asset of the organization that we are discussed, but that is most important, and we have been discussed in our more of our videos that an employee is the most important asset of an organization. In that case, what are the innovative process that an human resource department have brought in to grab those assets of the organization? First and foremost is AI-based recruitment tool is the trending process, or now fastly currently updated trending process and innovative process of HR is AI-based recruitment tool. So when a job vacancy is posted or job vacancy is created, numerous number of applicants would apply to a jobs. So in that case, it is not possible for a HR to look on to all the resumes and pick one peculiar and one more relevant person. It would be a more tedious job, and it would be time consuming factor. It is possible, but it would be a time consuming factor. So in that case, this AI based recruitment tool makes everything fast and rapid. So when an applicant applies for a job in a job portal, the AI-based recruitment process, the recruitment tool, analyzes the individual's resumes. So first and foremost, the HR would feed the categorization on which an employee should be selected: his experience, his skills, his abilities. Everything would be described and generated in an AI tool, and based on that, the AI tool would be screening out the best and accurate person most rapidly within the seconds. So this makes the HR process more simpler, more easier, and it gives an accurate and peculiar ideas and makes the systems and process more faster and easier rather than the traditional process or methods. So secondly, coming on to the next creative process into an HR practice is an digital onboarding process. Everything has become a digital process, and digital onboarding process is also a more easier a more rapidly ongoing process where everything has been digitalized. Employees certifications, the employees verification process, everything would be digitalized and it would be more made more simpler. The employee, newly joined employee, need not go and meet this person or that person and may clarify everything is in a proper state. The every materials of an employee would be digitalized and saved properly, and the onboarding process made simpler. So this also reduces the time factor, and everything has been software uploaded. Various human resource software tools have been introduced that made ERP process, that made the human resource process more simpler and easier. And automated HR data management is an ongoing trendy process where applicant status are easily tracked. The onboarding process have been made more easier in this automated HR data management systems. The performance of the employees are easily managed, the data of the employees are easily collected, and most commonly now people are using in an organization the process that innovative process that are uses is that a mobile apps for employees are generated, so that everything, the internal communications benefits for the employees, onboarding training process, performance monitoring, everything will be done through the app. So these are the major innovations in HR practices that brought various innovative process like e-recruitment process, employee listening tools, chat box, employees wellness tools. Various innovative process have been brought into an HR system, but most commonly used innovative process and most trending process are these ones. So that's it about the innovation in HR process. To see more about more videos on creativity and decision making, you continuously support to the channel, and see you all in the next video. Thank you.